Hey. Hey. You look really handsome. You too. I've been working out a bit. When's your birthday? No way. I hope I can go where it goes someday. Gee, wouldn't that be nice? I'm Tim. I'm Larry. Okay, my turn. What does... Do you want to fly together one day? Sure. You'll do. You want to touch my chest? I already did. Who are you? You have a wife. What is your name? It's Larry. We met the other day. Who are you? Doesn't remember me. You gotta remember! Think back to that car accident! Well, who the hell is this guy? Think back to the car accident! You hit your head while trying to get a